Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel, Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of setting up your IDme account and linking it to the IRS website. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to create one step by step. Step 1. Visit the IRS website. Go to the official IRS website and click on Sign into your account. You'll see options for individuals, businesses, and tax professionals. Select individuals to continue. Step 2. Create your IDme account. On the next page, click on Create an account. Enter your email address and create a password. IDme will send you a verification email. Open it and click the link inside to confirm your email address. Next, choose whether you'd like to receive a verification code by text message or phone call. Enter your phone number and click Continue. Enter the 6-digit code you receive, then click Continue again. Step 3. Secure your account. Now your account is secure. Click Generate Recovery Code and save or write down this code somewhere safe. This ensures you can always access your account, even if you lose your phone or forget your password. Step 4. Verify your identity. For the fastest verification, select Self-Service. Make sure you have a valid photo ID such as your driver's license ready. You'll need to give consent for IDme to collect biometric data, like your photo, for verification. Take clear, high-quality photos of both the front and back of your ID. Ensure the pictures are well lit, not blurry, and all details are clearly visible. If needed, crop the photos so the edges of your ID are fully visible without cutting off any information. Step 5. Take a selfie. IDme will now ask you to take a selfie to compare it with your uploaded ID. Allow access to your camera and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. Step 6. Confirm your phone and SSN. Enter your phone number again if prompted, then provide your social security number. Review your information carefully to make sure everything is correct. Step 7. Link back to the IRS. Once verified, you'll be automatically redirected back to the IRS website. Here, you can select the reason for your transcript request. If you were not directed by a third party, leave the customer file number box blank. Click OK to continue. That's it. You've successfully created your IDme account and linked it to the IRS portal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more step-by-step tech and government service guides. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.